Hey everyone, YouTube, Twitter, X, Siam here. So the realistic trader is 10 years old today, well this month. Time flies, and so we're going to have a birthday party. So every 2 months in the realistic trader community, we all meet up for a big day of teaching and socializing and drinking and all that sort of stuff. And normally it's just for our members, but this one we're just going to open it up. So we've booked a big room already, so we may as well fill it up. And so it's on the 18th of November in St Neots, in the middle of England pretty much. And it'll be from 10 o'clock in the morning, and it'll be content, pure content for the whole day until 6 o'clock. There's absolutely zero selling, because I freaking hate those run to the back of the room to buy this course for £200 for the first 10 people or whatever. I hate them. So yeah, none of that. It's just going to be pure content from myself, from some guest speakers, including my business partner and accountant slash tax specialist. He is literally the best tax accountant in the UK, and he's going to be giving a good talk on how to sort out your shit now before you end up with millions in the bank from Casper. So yeah, click on one of the links around up or below or wherever, and I will see you. Hopefully see you there. There's a hot lunch and a hot dinner. So yeah, and then socializing throughout the night. So it's going to be fun. Hopefully I'll see you there. Toodles.